Imagine waking up each morning, not weighed down by the aches of aging or the fear of losing strength, but bursting with energy, feeling powerful, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. What if the key to staying strong, vibrant, and youthful isn't locked in a gym or a supplement bottle, but right there on your plate? Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic, the top 7 foods that can help you fight muscle loss, boost strength, and keep sarcopenia, the sneaky thief of muscle mass, at bay. These aren't just meals, they're your ticket to a healthier, more invigorated you. So grab a cozy spot, maybe a snack, and let's uncover how simple, delicious foods can rewrite the way you age. If you're ready to take charge of your strength and vitality, type 1 in the comments below. Let's do this together. If this isn't your vibe, no hard feelings, just drop a 0. Your support keeps this journey alive, so hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get rolling. Hey friends, I'm absolutely thrilled to share this with you today because, let's be honest, aging can feel a little intimidating. The thought of losing muscle, feeling weaker, or not being able to keep up with the things we love, it's heavy. But here's the exciting part. You have more control than you might think, and it starts with what you eat. Sarcopenia, that gradual muscle loss that creeps in as we get older, doesn't have to have the last word. With the right foods, you can nourish your body, protect your muscles, and feel stronger inside and out every single day. Who doesn't want to feel like the hero of their own story, right? Before we jump into the list, I need a quick favor. If you're watching this and you're as fired up as I am about owning your health, drop a 1 in the comments. If this isn't quite your thing, counting down from number 7 to the ultimate muscle building food, and I'll share easy ways to work these powerhouses into your meals. Ready? Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 7 is quinoa, a tiny seed with a massive reputation as a superfood. I'll be honest, when I first tried quinoa, I wasn't sold. It looked like little grains of sand. But then I tasted it and wow, it won me over. This South American staple has been fueling people for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Quinoa is a rare plant-based complete protein, delivering all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for growth, repair, and recovery. That's a big deal, especially if you want to keep your muscles strong as you age. Each cooked cup of quinoa brings about 8 grams of protein plus fiber to keep your digestion smooth and your hunger in check. That full, satisfied feeling you get after a hearty meal, that's quinoa working its magic, helping you avoid overeating while keeping your metabolism steady. It's also packed with magnesium, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, nutrients that fuel muscle function, energy production, and tissue repair. Plus, its low glycemic index means no blood sugar roller coasters, just consistent energy to power your day. The best part? Quinoa is incredibly versatile. Toss it into salads, stir it into soups, or make a warm breakfast porridge with fruit and nuts. I love using it instead of rice in a veggie bowl. It's got this nutty, fluffy texture that makes every dish feel special. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or throwing together a quick dinner, quinoa's got you covered. Your muscles will thank you, and your taste buds will be pretty happy too. Coming in at number 6 is a personal favorite, Greek yogurt. There's something so comforting about a bowl of creamy, tangy Greek yogurt, isn't there? But this isn't just a delicious treat, it's a muscle-building superstar. Thanks to its special straining process, Greek yogurt has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, up to 20 grams per serving. That's like a protein shake you can eat with a spoon. Perfect for repairing muscles after a workout or keeping them strong as you age. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt delivers calcium, which is essential for muscle contractions and bone health. Without enough calcium, your muscles can't perform at their best, and that affects everything from carrying groceries to climbing stairs. Plus, those live probiotics, they're like tiny cheerleaders for your gut, helping you absorb all the nutrients you're eating. A healthy gut means a stronger, happier you. You can enjoy Greek yogurt straight from the tub, mix in some berries or chia seeds, or use it as a base for smoothies or even a creamy taco topping. I love adding a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. It feels like a treat, but it's fueling my muscles. Whether it's breakfast, a snack, or post-workout recovery, Greek yogurt is an easy, delicious way to keep your body strong and your bones solid. At number 5, we've got it's fueling my muscle. Salmon, a fish that's as tasty as it is powerful. I'll admit, I wasn't always a fish person, but salmon changed my mind. It's not just a great dinner option, it's a muscle-protecting hero. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, those healthy fats that reduce inflammation, ease sore muscles, and speed up recovery after exercise. If you're active or just want to keep your muscles in top shape, salmon is your go-to. Each 3-ounce serving packs about 22 grams of high-quality protein, plus vitamin D for bone health and B12 for energy and nerve function. That's a nutrient-packed punch in every bite. Selenium rounds it out, supporting muscle performance and immune health. I love how easy salmon is to prepare. Grill it, bake it, or flake it into a salad with quinoa or greens. It's a simple way to fuel your body and keep your muscles resilient. Next time you're planning dinner, make salmon the star. Your body will feel the difference. And now at number 4, we have eggs. Humble, affordable, and absolutely incredible. Eggs remind me of cozy weekend breakfasts, but they're so much more than comfort food. Each large egg delivers 6 to 7 grams of complete protein, making them a go-to for muscle repair and growth. They're also rich in vitamin D, B12, and choline, nutrients that support bone health, energy, and muscle coordination. The best part? Eggs are like the ultimate kitchen multi-tool. Scramble them, boil them, or whip up an omelet with some spinach. They're quick, budget-friendly, and perfect for any meal. I love keeping hard-boiled eggs in the fridge for a grab-and-go snack that keeps my muscles fueled. Add eggs to your weekly lineup, and you'll be giving your body a nutrient boost without breaking the bank. Number 3 is spinach. And let me tell you, this leafy green is way more than a salad filler. I used to think spinach was just Popeye's thing, but it's a true muscle-building champion. 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers over 100% of your daily vitamin K, plus vitamin C, A, magnesium, and iron, all crucial for muscle function, recovery, and oxygen delivery. Magnesium is the star here, preventing cramps and keeping your muscles firing smoothly. Plus, spinach's antioxidants protect your muscles from damage, especially after a tough workout. Blend it into smoothies, toss it in soups, or sneak it into eggs. It's so easy to add to your meals. Spinach is your secret weapon for staying strong and energized, 1 green bite at a time. And number 2, we've got almonds, a snack that's small but packs a serious punch. I love keeping a stash of almonds in my bag for those moments when hunger strikes. Each ounce offers 6 grams of plant-based protein, healthy fats to reduce inflammation, and vitamin E to protect muscle cells. Magnesium keeps cramps at bay, and the fiber keeps you full and focused. Sprinkle almonds on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or just munch a handful. They're a quick, tasty way to support muscle recovery and keep your energy steady. Next time you're craving a snack, skip the chips, grab some almonds, and feel the strength-building magic. And here we are at number 1, chicken breast. This lean, mean protein machine is the gold standard for muscle health. Each 3-ounce serving delivers a whopping 26 grams of complete protein, perfect for rebuilding muscles after a workout or keeping them strong as you age. It's low in fat, so you're fueling your body without extra calories, and it's packed with B vitamins and selenium for energy and resilience. Chicken breast is like the ultimate food chameleon. Grill it, bake it, shred it for salads, or stir-fry it with veggies. It's never boring, and it's a staple you can rely on. Make chicken breast a regular in your meals, and you'll be just like the ultimate food chameleon, giving your muscles the VIP treatment they deserve. Wow, we just explored 7 incredible foods that can transform how you feel, move, and age. I hope you're as inspired